Alright, now for the exercise, we're looking at this. Okay, we are imagining that there's a construction of a 3-story office building. The contractor is Madhujaya and you need to prepare final account. Now this is the form, okay? Now the information that we have here is the original contract sum, so you input the original contract sum here, as well as the tile project contractor. You can get the details of information here, okay? Now, you see here, we need to calculate what is the revised contract amount. Now, to attain the revised contract amount, you would need to calculate what was the variation order that had occurred. So if we look at this particular section, alright, now if we look at, this. Now this part is actually the entices you have 5 architect's instruction on the VO. Now those are what you need to calculate here, okay? How much omissions, which is how much items, the amount that is omitted from the bill of quantities, and how much is added. So now we're going to look at sheet number 2. Okay, you look at sheet number 2, I have transferred all the information in relevant to the architect's instruction. For example, applicant number 1, the quantity for marble flooring increased to 30 meters square. Now, you will need to look at your bill of quantity. Your bill of quantity is here. Quantity for marble flooring. So where is quantity for, okay, this one, item C. Now, quantity for marble flooring, they increase it to 30 meters square, right? So you now the total amount is 2,000. So you put in 2,000 and 20 meters square. So if you look at this one, 30 meters square, that's a new quantity multiplied by 3,000. So you will get, multiplied by 100. Then 30 meters square multiplied by 100. So you will get 3,000. Okay. Now let's look at architect instruction number 2. Replace acoustic door with hardwood door. So the item price is 450 per door. Now, what was the original item? They're asking to replace, right? So let's find door. Look at item E. The original amount, the original cost for the door was 3720, which is this one, 3720. Now, the new rate for the door is 450. So I've only got one door here. Quantity is 1 multiplied by 450. Okay. Now let's look at another example here. Concrete bed thickness reduced to 100 millimeter. VQ rate is 200 meter cube per meter cube. Now here, the concrete grade 20 is of 150 thickness. So you're going to have to omit the whole item and replace it with a new item, which is this one. And you have a new rate here, alright? The rate is 200 meters square. The quantity is the same, but the rate is different. So 50 meter cube multiplied by the new rate 200. So you will get here 10,000. Alright. Now, so you can have a look at the try and do the rest of the variation order. So when you have keyed in all the information here, what is the total of omission and what is the total of addition? Now addition minus the omissions, in this case, the project value has reduced to 2,770. So in this section, what was the total omission value, total addition value, and the addition minus the omission, I will get this one. So from this, I will know what is the revised contract amount, 35,000 minus 2,770, I will get 34,000. Now, this is the amount, is the revised contractual sum. Interim payments number 1 until number 14, if you look at the exercise that I had given, you need to total all of that up. Alright, this and this, you will get the final certificate amount is left with 4 million. That's all. Thank you.